we introduce our control software functions. When you finish install the UV flatbed printer control software, then you will find this in your desk of computer. Double-click, it will choose this diagram. In this diagram, it means for 6C for 6 color. If your printer is white and 4 color, it will choose 4C. So right now, this means you can control your printer with one head for white color and one head for 6 color. Then click OK. When you find this surface, it means you open your control software. In this software, if you choose fail to initial the printer, it means your printer not connect well with this software. You need to double check the cables and the power of the printer. If it shows working and online, it means the computer will connect well with your printers. First, in here, open means you can open any PRN file, RIP file in your printers. For print, it means it's click to print work. Pause means pause the work. Stop means stop the printing work. Flash means you can click, then it will flash during your printing finish work. Clean, it means clean the printhead. In this cleaning, in the functions, you can setting to clean one head or two heads or only left head or only right head. For test, it have two functions in here. One test is for nozzle test. The other test is for the height alignment test. So which one you need, you can choose it. For home, it means let the carriage back to home position to capping and keep the moisture. Left means the carriage move to left. Right means carriage move to right. Feet means the carriage move towards us. Back means carriage move far away from us. For this task choice, it means click, then you will see this. For here, in this area, it shows the root file of the computer. In here, you can also try to find where your work is. And in here, it means which PRM file in this root file. For example, now it shows there have two works can doing in the desk files. In here, it will choose how many workers you want to doing. If only one or two, you can choose any one to click, then it will print. Then for print control, when you click here, this is the function we have mentioned in our how to doing the printing work. So you can read that part for all these functions. Then in parameter, there is some settings for printing white or printing some work during it. The white ink setting, it means which mode of your white ink you want to choose. Normally, we now choose only two, one by bottom. It means if you choose this, then white ink will printing for as the best in the whole pictures. If you choose spot, it means white ink will be as the fifth color or mean seventh color in the area which you're doing the spot channel in your photos. White ink channel count, it means how many channels you doing in white ink. Normally for our one head for white. So right now one head you can means for 6 channel, or if you use for DX5 head, then you need to input for 8. White ink, repeat times. It means how many times if you're doing as the bottom or as the sport mode you want to print for white ink. For example, one picture, if you want to print in 2 times and then to doing the color 1 time, then in here you need to input 2, or you can doing 3 times or 4 times. White ink in back, it means in this mode, the white ink will be as the cover of the picture. So when you click this, then this printing work will starting to printing from the back and from the front. It means when you choose this, the carriage will move to the back side, then starting to printing, and it will printing the color. Then the white ink will as the cover of the whole picture. Color bar setting. This means for the color bar weights, how many weights you want to printing. This is the total weight of the color bar. And this one means the distance from the color bar to our pictures. The position means which position the color bar is. You can choose in left, in right, and or both sides. Inclusions is means for feature function. For this feature function, we usually suggest both you want to choose, enhance mode and enable mode. If you don't want to be two more feature function, then you can only choose this one. But for our suggest, both you can choose it. For the tab, we only suggest for font type. And the level means how many levels for the feature you want to do. We normally suggest 30% is the best choice for you. Clearing option, it means you can setting auto clearing if you choose this. How many times and how many passes you want to setting auto clearing, then you can input in here. And the cleaning mode you can choose for flash jet or cleaning head. When you choose cleaning head, then it means it will auto cleaning the head. The frequency is means how many frequencies you want to clean. Cleaning time, it means how about the cleaning time it will use, slow, middle, and fast. Flash jetting, it means for the flash position and flash setting. Flash interval time, it means how many milliseconds it will spend on, and the flash time, it means how many flash time you want to flash. And the frequency is means how many passes you will doing the flash jetting in the normally setting. And the other Y speed, it means the stepping move speed. Normally we suggest for fast. And auto fit after printed, it means it will automatically move the millimeters when you finish one picture. If you choose here, for example here, it means it finish one picture, then it will move 15 millimeters, then to doing the next picture. Skip white, it means skip the white parts. Mirror means you can doing the mirror printing. Autofill ink, it means when you click here, it will fill ink, means suction ink. And material setting, this is can setting the material difference. For function in here, load ink means suction ink. So for here, it means for the first time, you need to suction ink or pump ink. You need to click here. Then you can choose load ink only one head one or only head 2, or both head you want to load in. In this area, all the changes you're doing and all the dates you changes, you have to doing apply to save it. And for the maintenance, this is for the maintenance of the daily work and for the first printing work. For here, resolution, where we suggest only for 360 resolution and the speed for fast. For bi-direction setting, then you're doing the test bar and input the right position and right date in here. For this area, we will introduce in our how to setting the printhead. The step calibration is the same we will introduce in that part.